Hello, hi, I'm Muhammad Lullah. I have been speaking about the law. I'm right now talking to American USA, United States of America. The law. I'm like to speak with American House of Speaker, White House President, and the Supreme Court Judge, and American all the high authorities. What is the human right and what is the law for Muslims and for Christians? The fight is going on. Israel today. Israel is in everything. All the law is for Muslim people, right? For Israel, for Christian America, they're not law for them. No law. They can kill whatever people they want. If they kill, there's going to be for their nation. They try to save people. If Muslim try to save themselves, there's going to be terrorists. Is right? Right now, if what about this is American terrorists waiting on Israel, putting bomb to all the Muslim country, Palestinian innocent peoples, they killing for last few years. American terrorists, but they are in American people, in Israel people, in nation Christian and Hindu peoples. They are not the terrorists. They are mostly good people try to kill bad people. Okay, the bad people try to go America, try to harm America? No. Try to harm Israel? No. Try to live in Israel? No. They give land for Israel to live, they survive their life in Palestine and become an Israel neighborhood. And they try to bring the whole Palestine to Israel. Right now, what's going on in Lebanon? Lot of things going on. They keep killing innocent people and they say, we kill terrorists, we kill terrorists. There isn't no terrorists. The terrorist is America. The terrorists, the biggest terrorists live in White House in the world. The biggest terrorists around the world. They're talking about Hezbollah. They're killing Hezbollah, the leaders. Where did the Hezbollah come from? The war. Know where the Hezbollah came from? Hezbollah came from America. Okay? America tried to make everybody terrorists. They are the biggest terrorists. And they make Hezbollah, they make IS, you know, they did all of this. Where the ISIS come from, where Taliban came from, they all came from America. America keep trying to make people terrorists, and people became a terrorist. Okay, people wasn't terrorists. People lost their family. The Hezbollah, they blow up right now. Lot of family they lost their parents, they lost their family members, their little babies. What they're going to be? They're going to be American terrorists. That's what's going on in this world. America making these terrorists, and they living good life in about the island. Nobody can go in their island, and they coming in our land. They try to fight. They're making enemy, and we cannot live good life. Look at the Ukraine and Russia. The fight going on years and years. America having bad time? No. America sleep good. They're selling weapon to Ukraine. They're making mad Israel, and they sleep good. right? Look at it. China and America. China making stuff, selling to America, America old China, $22 trillion. But they old, but they sleep good. But China think about their money. Is they gonna pay our money or we gonna go broke? That's all thing. The brain working. And where they got all of this power from? Saudi Arab, then Kuwait, Dubai, Qatar, because these Muslim countries give America the oil and take the dollars, and the dollars run around the whole world. Right now, everybody around the world invest on the dollars. So if America go down, every country go down. That's why every country support America to stay alive, and they take the advantage of them, and they use all the country to fuck us up. This is what America is doing. All the country president knowing what's going on, but nobody opening their mouth because they so busy to sucking a dick, American dick, White House dick. The white dick so love it, all the president, even China president love it. If don't love it, why China doing business with America? Look at what China doing. So many Muslims, they putting inside the ground, under the ground. Why all the country get scared of Muslims? Why? What is the reason? The history will repeat against and against. Look at the India, what India did wrong. In India history, never Muslim did anything good for India. But the history repeat, everything India did good. It started with the Muslim. It started with the Muslim in India. The whole world, not only Bangladesh, not only Pakistan, not only India, not only Saudi Arab, whole world is teach by Muslim. When our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is there, but before he died, the Yahudi people try to break us down. Even the Quran, he write it down, is coming true. The Yahudi people will get success when breaking down Muslim. And the end of that, the Muslim will go back, came back again, and gonna say, we are not dying, we still here, we just looking you Yahudi people. Right now we're gonna come back, try to stop us. There's the time is coming very soon. America, don't think nobody going to touch you. Same way you sitting in other country, same way you getting set up. Okay? Same way. Don't think America don't have any Muslims. Same trick. How long you gonna use? The trick you have to change it up. You break your twin tower. Everybody around the world know. Nobody say nothing to you because they scared of you. Everybody around the world, they know you are the biggest dictators. Nobody saying nothing to you. Everybody around the world, you know, they know you are the biggest terrorists. Nobody saying nothing to you. If you only one country don't give backup to doing all the wrong thing, nobody will do wrong thing. But you support doing bad thing, what terrorists do. That's what all the country did. America tried to get yourself together, brothers. Don't do this wrong thing. God will not stand long behind.